Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a Sudoku with 0 stars. Yes, 0 stars. In the additional, not in today's newspaper on Thursday, May the 11th, 2023. No, in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. It's the Friday edition of May the 5th, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku, so 2 puzzles are left. The tectonic with 1 star. They call it in Suguru in Japanese, and in Dutch cipher block. And this one you are interested because it's a Sudoku with 0 stars. And this will be number 6419. Yeah, 0 stars. 0 stars. Because this puzzle has 30 printed digits. Yeah, 30 printed digits. So I need, for 30 printed digits, to be faster, then maybe 14 or 15 minutes. Well, let me do this. 14 minutes. Alright. So, let's get started. We have a 7 in this column. 7 in the column next. So, last column. The only 2 places left for the 7s will be here or there. We see a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. Alright. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the third column. No 3 there. 3 should be there. 3. Cannot continue with the 3 now. 4. Alright. How about the 158? 158. 158. 158. No. 1. Let me see. 2. 6. Well, no 6. Here 6, there 6. Need a 9 here. 9. Okay. I'm thinking. 6. 4. 4 and a 6. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in the first row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 6. We have 4 and a 6 in this big square, so no 4 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in the first row? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Alright, so the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left in the last column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. 1, okay. Then, let me see. 3. How about 4 with the 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2. Alright. The 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, the 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the third row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the first column. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the mother. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Alright. 5, 5. Okay. Then, yeah, let me think. 9, 9. 9, 9, 9. No 9 here. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is a number 9. Here can be a 9 because we have a 9 in the second column, so no 9 there. Here can be 9 because we have 9 in this column, so no 9 there. So the 9 in this row could be here, could be there. Here or there. We see another 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 9 in this row. Here can be a 9 because we have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. Here can be a 9 because we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, here, or there. Here, or there. We see a 9 in the first column, so no 9 there. Here, 9 in the second column, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright, 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column with 3 in the middle column. The only place left for 9 should be there. Can I count? And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. 7. 2. 1. Come on. I'm thinking. 7, 3, 1. Come on. 8, 8. 2, 2. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. Okay. 4, yeah, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3, 4, 8. 3, 4, 8, 3, 4, 8, 3, 4, 8. And look, we have 3 and a 4 in this column, so no 3 and a 4 in this box. 3 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there, so 1 digit left in this row for number 8. 8, okay. 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7. Yeah. 1, 1. Come on. 1, 1. 1, 5, 7, 1, 5, 7. 7. 4, 5, 6. Need a 6 also. Come on. 7. Yeah, 3 in this row, 3 in a row below. So last row, only 2 places left, and 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 3. Alright. Now. 9, 1, 5. Come on. 5. I'm thinking. 6, 3, 4, 7. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and a 6. We have a 4 now in the second column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes and here. 4. I want a 6 here, 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the second column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 in this column, third column, 2 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the middle row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column, second column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in the middle row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. The 5 is missing here, yeah. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next on that column, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see 1 in the last row, no 1 there. Here 1 in that row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there, and all the ones are used. I can see digital 3 number 1. Wait, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column. So the column between. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 5 and 8. We have 8 now in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in the last row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes and there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then let me see 1 and 9. Oh, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here's 7 in the middle column, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Told you, need to be faster than, well, 40 minutes. Well, maybe talk too long in the beginning, but we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, the tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.